Welcome to Forest Tales. Today we'll hear the story of a little duckling who learned that being different can be beautiful. Once upon a time, on a quiet little farm, a mother duck was waiting for her eggs to hatch. 5 yellow ducklings pop out happily. One big egg remains. The large egg shakes. Crack! A gray, fluffy duckling emerges. He looks different. All of other ducklings made fun of him. They said, "You're not one of us. You're too ugly." The gray duckling walks away sadly. They did not want to swim with him or play with him. The mother duck said, "He is still your brother." But they did not care. The duckling asked many animals that can he stay with them, but they all said no. Chickens said, "Not with that face." Lamb said, "You don't look like a duck to me." Piglet said, "You are too big." Cow said, "Move along, little one." No one wanted him, so he wandered alone. The duckling hides near frozen reeds. Winter was cold and lonely, but the little duckling never gave up hope. When spring returned, the duckling was no longer small. He was stronger, and something had changed. He sees beautiful white birds, swans, gliding on the lake. "They're so beautiful. I could never belong with them." Swan, "Come join us." Ugly duckling, "Me? But I'm just an ugly duckling." Swan laughing kindly, "Ugly, look at your reflection." Ugly duckling looking at his reflection in the water, amazed. I'm not a duckling anymore. He had grown into a beautiful swan, just like them. He wasn't ugly. He was different, and that made him special. So, remember, even if others don't see your beauty right away, that doesn't mean it isn't there. Moral: true beauty comes from within. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.